And now let's proceed again to the lesson 3, which is a common expression, a dialogue about the weather conditions. So in Cebuano, kumusta naman ang panahon karon? So how's the weather? So panahon here in English is weather. Ing ani sining panahon karon? Is the weather really like this? Kusog ang hangin, windy. Nagbagyo, stormy. Nagulan, it's raining. Lapok, muddy. Sige lang og init, always hot. So the word sige here in Cebuano, in English, is always. So init is hot. So sige lang og init, always hot. Nagbaha, it gets flooded. Ting-init, summer. So usually, we experience this ting-init or summer during at the month of April and May. So at that month, we experience this ting-init or summer. Ting-tugnaw or cold season. So here in the Philippines again, we experience this ting-tugnaw or cold season during at the month of November to December. So there we experience this ting-tugnaw, cold season. Abinakog na ay bagyo. I thought there would be a storm. Lantawa gani, look, or see. Nindot na ang panahon. So the weather is nice. So the word nindot here in English is nice. Okay, so don't you know that Huyuhoy is one of the highest and deepest zip line in Asia? It has 850 meters above sea level. This adventure park has a breathtaking and probably the best view from the top of Ozami City and the province of Misamis Occidental in northern Mindanao Island.